So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another stream. Yeah, a couple of days passed by and, I was super busy. The market seems to be like in a, kind of state where it waits for really action impulses from either side, right? And I feel like the bulls are saying like, okay, there's not much negative news, but the S&P 500 is already at 4,500, right? And the bears are like, there's not much bullish news, but still there's a little bit of room to go. So the S&P, the whole market seems to swim currently in this environment. So I think that there's not much. Sometimes it's not much to talk about, right? And talk about space. There's always something to talk about for me. But and I had a small mild a cold, and what else? And I worked a lot on my new upcoming YouTube channel, guys. If you will see it, I'm working on this like for the last 9 months. And it will be absolutely insane, guys. It will be totally different what I'm doing here. But stay tuned, okay? So, guys, I came across Ape Coin. And, guys, this is not sponsored, okay? I'm not getting paid by Ape Coin. And I'm not getting paid by Tesla, obviously. Unfortunately, right? But I came across this Ape Coin. And I thought, like, this is a very interesting episode to make. Why and which way I see that this is interesting to bridge to the stock market and why this could be the next Tesla stock, okay? But speaking about advertisement, let me show you a small trailer of my new project where I teach you how to day trade, and we have a huge success already and made a lot of money with my group that is a specific closed group in Discord. And have a look. You support the channel, you can make money, and I think like this is a great investment. It's open now, so check out the trailer and the link into the description. 30 seconds, let's go. Let me introduce you to my brand new product, X10 Day Trading. Basically, you are sick and tired of your 9-to-5 jobs like I was, then this is for you. Or you just want to get a little bit of money on the side, a couple of $1,000s per month with day trading, where you don't need to know technical analysis and where you watch only 10 videos to know the strategy that I used to 10x $2,000. Yes, in 1 month, and I did it twice. And let me tell you what comes with it: a 30-minute call with me, plus an exclusive group that is coming only with this purchase, plus a second 30-minute call with me a couple of weeks later to see if you're going. So I'm holding your hand, but obviously it's time limited, so 50 people maximum. Get in if you want right now. So it's very expensive, guys. Check it out in the link into the description, but it's really worth it, and the value and the return are absolutely insane. Okay, I promise you guys. Now let's talk about Ape Coin. Ape Coin is something that is very interesting because it has a huge potential for the things that they are doing with this Ape Coin, okay? But before that, I think you should let me know in the chat and in the live stream chat and in the comments below where you are watching from, so I can give you a shout out. Speaking now about the Ape Coin, I'm following the crypto news. Okay, I consider it a big part now of the future financial world. So I'm covering it in terms of a lot of research and to see what's going on and so on. And for me, to be honest, all these coins and everything, like for me, there's like the top coins, right? Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Phantom, they all have like huge potential. And for sure, if someone asks me where to invest, I would say like in those things. If you taking the step further and you say like, okay, after I invest in some coins, like I want to also own some NFT, because not get only the appreciation, it's art, it's like a collectible. You get airdrops, which means like you own the NFT, and the developers, they send you like gifts or dividends for owning this NFT. And in the NFT space, you have like Bored Ape, CryptoPunks, you know, those are the, let's say, the blue chips of NFTs, okay? And there's a couple of more, but we get into that in a second. And once you know that those are the blue chips, you know that those are first very value increasing. Second, you know also that they are, let's say, more resistant to volatility, and they are holding their value. Now, I came across then an article that I just saw, and it says like Bored Ape Yacht Club's Ape Coin DAO airdrops millions of ape coins to NFT owners. And I said, what? And then I saw a video by a crypto influencer, and he basically, for owning the ape, he got like $160,000 worth of this ape coin. And I was like, what the hell is going on? Okay. And when he made this video, the ape coin was at $7. Now the ape coin is at $14 approximately. So I said like, wow, this thing gets really traction. So let's go a step back. So who's behind Bored Apes? There's a company called Hugo Labs, which we will see now the website of. So very creative. Obviously, you know, they're a powerhouse in these NFTs and creative stuff. So they have a very beautiful team, a very known team as well. But all of this, you can go into it by yourself. I don't want to, you know, say the whole story that you can find in 10 different videos here on YouTube, but I want to tell you how I see this an opportunity for being the next Tesla stock, okay? So in the crypto world, okay? So here you see that they are working on the Web3 and, you know, storytelling, community, and so on, and they are behind Bored Apes, you know, Mutant Ape Yacht Club. They have, let us see, who else? They have this Bored Ape Kennel Club, CryptoPunks, Meebits, and now they launch also other site, which people don't really know yet what it will be, and it will be launched in April, okay? This is the trailer of it. I will not play it by with music because the music is copyrighted, but you see like they put like a lot of effort in the animation, and it's basically, you know, the bored ape that you know, catches the drink me so he can mutate, right? So yeah, so there is like this beautiful let's say animation, and this people are looking forward. What is this? Is it the metaverse? Is it the something else, right? Maybe another drop or something, or what's behind that? And actually, you know, the makers Hugo Labs are planning a lot of stuff to you know, present to the people, and Ape Coin has potential to be like the, let's say, currency in all of this different kind of metaverse, where a lot of people want to be in the blue chips NFTs, right? And into the company that is behind this blue chips in the end of the day. Here you can see all of this, you know, very, very important NFTs are part of it, and so on and so forth. So you see, that's the future, okay? So they teasered that on the 19th of March on YouTube, and people are now saying, okay, what's going on, right? So, and what I like, because I'm not like the pro in crypto, but for me, I'm looking into it like investment, and say, okay, you know, if this should be investment for many people, it need to be on the main exchanges. For me, a main exchange is Coinbase. Okay, if a coin is not on Coinbase, the audience that is reachable is still limited, because Coinbase, in my personal opinion, has still, you know, the easiest interface, where you just drop your credit card details, you buy, you know, your Ape Coin, that's it, okay? So it directly was listed on Coinbase, and here you see the little bit of the valuation. So, you know, it went to $7 ish first, $8, then the highest was somewhere around 15. Now it's back to or it was back to 9.6, and then it went to 13. I was currently at 13, right? So There's a lot of volume, right? $2.7 billion volume. There's trading activities, mostly buying, right? Popularity is high. So there's a lot of things that, it's still a very tradable asset. As you can see here, typical hold time is like 4 days. Market cap is 3.6 billion. Okay, so I believe that, those kind of things, okay, being the coin of a very strong powerhouse into the metaverse, crypto space, NFT space, having this share to all of the owners of those big NFTs, plus having this big marketing machine and releasing every now something nice for the owners, for the people, is a very, very interesting marketing strategy for this coin to become a major coin into a major ecosystem. And here I see the potential. And now I'm saying, like, wow, I see now the connection to Tesla. Tesla, as you know, I talked about Tesla in 2019. Okay, when the stock was at $30, guys. Now it's over $1,000, right? Or maybe a little bit below. Here, let's have a look into my channel. Okay, here, Tesla analysis when the stock was at 250, right? I talked about it, right? Where I said, like, it's undervalued and so on and so forth. I think you can see me here as well somewhere. In the beginning. Yeah, what a beard, huh? What a logo reveal. So yeah, so as you can see here, I talked about Tesla when it was very, very undervalued, and then it became like a trend, right? Reddit people, Elon Musk, the people loved the cars. They saw the YouTube videos, the cars got better, the functions and everything. So the cult around this Tesla stock helped at least as much the company is actually doing in terms of the company and operational milestones. What I want to say is, like, it became this cult stock which gave it a superpower for growing this crazy amount of value. Okay, so you can see here Tesla was for a very long time a very flat stock investment, but then around 2020 it started to absolutely fantastic growth to from about $62 to $1,000. I think, what is that? That's 20x, yeah, 20x, okay, in basically 2 years. Okay, so 20x in 2 years. So we are talking here, if just the same, and we know there's huge potential for Ape Coin to do these moves. If we just consider 20x, that means that you are having the chance that this coin goes to 300, and with the time frame of the next 1 or 2 years, even though the market goes slower. So I think this is something quite interesting. I feel like this is like a same vibe, great team, great projects, people love it, it's high quality and so on. So I think this could be like the Tesla share of the crypto market, and I would love to hear your opinion about it. Okay, let me know in the comments below. Drop me everything. There's another great video if you want to know everything about this Ape Coin, all the benefits and how other investors are looking for it. Check out Dump Money Ape Coin. Okay, they made an episode like a day ago. It's like an hour long, and they go like in super depth into it, what it can be, what they are doing, and so on and so forth. Why the community is so great, everything. Okay, so I will post that also in the live chat right now, so you basically put it in your browser and then you check it out. So I think that this is something interesting. What is my gameplay? If you're asking my gameplay, I believe that we are in general having still the risk of the recession, the war, the bear market is definitely still on. So this means that I feel that we have a lot of potential going lower with the overall market. And if the overall market goes down, obviously the Ape Coin will basically also very much be volatile and very much go down. So I'm waiting okay, until I see a market capitulation in every asset class, and then I start to buy everything that I like. And Ape Coin is something that I like, and Ape Coin could be really something that I would love to own, just as a very high risk asset, very volatile, but a huge potential with all of that, what I said. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, to, follow me every single day, Wolf of Dubai Danny. Very, very important.